Trouble is brewing in Alligator Pond, Manchester, as a set of farmers who have been farming a plot of land for decades say they are being asked to leave the property unfairly. They claim that the person pushing them off the land is not the owner and are calling for the Agriculture Ministry's assistance to settle the dispute.
A cabbage patch ready for reaping. Fields of scallion, thyme, sweet peppers and cucumbers weeks away from maturity.
This is where we get our food. This is our food basket, right? Our earnings. This is where we can work to pay our bills.
Scores of farmers have been tilling these approximately 40 acres in Rose Corner, Alligator Pond, Manchester for some 30 years. However, they say that the livelihood is being threatened unfairly with an abrupt end. According to the farmers, a man came to the property last week and gave them verbal notice to leave as he claims he owns the land.
Without no proof, no farmer documents, nothing, no kind of notice, just walk in and started to fence the property and point finger where he wanted and where he not. And we have a processing plant on the property. We need to know what's going on here.
In order to regain access to the farms, they have removed sections of the barbed wire fencing that was erected. They say 30 years ago, they were introduced to another person as the owner and were given permission to clear and use the land for farming. They admit that the ownership of the land could and may have changed, but they want proof before leaving. They're calling for the Agriculture Minister's assistance as they also believe consideration should be given to the 30 years of investment, the crops currently on the land, and the dozens of workers who earn from the farm.
We need Mr. Floyd Green to intervene in this faraway, because we farm everything on this property. Scallion, thyme, tomato, watermelon, everything.
We don't have a problem to evacuate the property if it is his property, but we need time. The court, if the government or the agricultural minister or the MP cannot give us some time, we ask the court to give us some kind of leniency.
The farmers gave us a name and number for the person claiming to own the property, but so far, all efforts to contact him have been futile, and there has been no reply to the messages left.